Hey there YouTube, Rock Hugger back with another video. So this material was collected up from Saddle Rock. This is a location in Wenatchee where it's a pretty popular hiking trail, and this is some stuff that I found. So once I cut it open, there was some cool bluish gray material along with some white, and it was almost encased like an agate around the outside. There's a clear rim, so I wanted to cut this and show what's inside. So I'm going to cut a few slabs here and I'll put it in fast motion, and we'll see what slabs we get out of this at the end. I'm excited to see. So here's the first four, and I really like these, how they turned out. So a bunch of different kind of, looks like water flowing or ice, or I don't know. Very cool though. Never know what you're gonna get until you cut these things open. I was hoping for a little chunk of gold or something, since these were found near a gold mine, but one can only dream. So I got another chunk up here. We're gonna cut that. I'm gonna film it with this GoPro and time lapse, and we'll see you in about 10 seconds. So here's what we got with those three cuts with the other chunk of that material. This is definitely a lot more marbled, and as you can see right there, if I can get it to focus, there's a little bug. Yeah, nothing crazy, but just some cool stuff. And I found this just on a hike 15 minutes from my house. Some really cool local material. I mean, if you haven't found this, check out my video for Saddle Rock, Wenatchee, Washington. There is a big trailhead with bathrooms, picnic areas, lots of trails to go hike, and a lot of discard material from the mining. If you're able to find and spot that, I also located that in the video, so there's a couple hints if you want to go check that out and find some of this stuff, make some stuff out of it. It's got a hardness of about maybe 6 to 7, depending on if it's more agate or this bluer material. That blue stuff seems a little softer. Not sure quite what the makeup is, but it's got a real cool kind of speckle galaxy look to it. So we'll polish some of this up and we'll see what it looks like once it gets cut and turned, and what the tone, what the stone really tells me to do, I do. So we'll work with it and see what these things turn into. Put them with the rest here.